In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Square Merchant Provider option in Wix payment settings. To get started, make sure you are working in Google Chrome and that you are already signed in to your Wix account. This process begins from your main Wix dashboard, which is the central control screen where you manage your site settings, business tools, and payment options. Starting from the dashboard is important because it gives you direct access to the configuration menu we need for this task. Once you are on the main Wix dashboard, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. This is where Wix groups the main configuration categories for your website and business settings. You will want to move down that sidebar carefully until you find the settings section. Depending on your screen size or account layout, you may need to scroll a little to see all available options. Go ahead and open settings when you find it. After the settings area opens, look for the option labeled Accept Payments. This is the section where Wix organizes payment-related tools and provider connections for your site. Select Accept Payments to continue. When you open it, Wix will display the available payment setup area where different merchant providers and payment methods can be reviewed and managed. From there, your next step is to locate the Square Merchant Provider line item. This will typically appear as an option card or provider block within the Payments page. Take a moment to scan through the available providers until you find Square. The layout may include multiple cards, so it helps to read each provider name carefully rather than clicking too quickly. Once you have found the Square provider card block, you have successfully reached the correct location. This is the specific merchant provider tracking option you were looking for inside Wix payment settings. At this stage, you can confirm that you are in the right place by checking that the Square label is clearly visible on the card. A useful tip here is to make sure the page has fully loaded before searching through the provider list, especially if your dashboard contains many business features